Hi everyone, in this video we are talking about your unit circle. This is really just a video explaining the unit circle. It's already set up for you. You don't really have to fill anything in. Notice for this picture, on the inside you have all of your angle measures. Outside of that circle you have your radian measures. And then you also have some coordinates on the outside of your circle. Before we talk about those coordinates, remember that your circle is split into 4 quadrants like the coordinate plane. We have quadrant 1 or Q1 right here. We have quadrant 2 or Q2 over here, Q3, and your last one is Q4. All right, notice down on the bottom, there is this big square that says cosine theta, comma sine theta. You can use your unit circle to find the cosine and sine of a specific angle. Notice that for each coordinate pair, you have 2 values. So for my first one over here, 1, 0, cosine of 0 equals 1, sine of 0 equals 0. So notice that on the bottom, theta stands for your angle measure. It can be in degrees or it can be in radians. And then cosine of theta is your first value, so it was 1. Sine of theta was your second one, so it equals 0. So all we're going to do this week is identify the cosine of a given angle measure and the sine of a given angle measure. And you're really just using your unit circle to identify it. We're going to go ahead and look at a couple examples in your next video. Thanks for watching.